I speak English and Hebrew. And a little Spanish.
How many Spanish?
So. Como si, como sa.
Oh, are you feeling sad today?
No. I'm feeling happy.
You say sing.
Comme si, comme sa.
Yeah. What's wrong?
What does comme si, comme sa mean?
Sad.
I thought it means a little happy, a little sad.
It's not in the middle. It's sad.